Hey y'all, Melissa here with you today, and today I've got a super simple and quick gift to make. Let's go ahead and open it. I am going to show you how to make these little hand warmers. All you need to make these are scraps of fabric, cotton thread, and rice. And let me show you how easy it is. Here are the supplies you'll need. You're going to need fabric, and if it is woven fabric that frays, then I suggest cutting out with pinking shears to minimize the fraying. Pinking shears make this jagged pointed edge here, and I've got this pair linked below. You're going to need rice and a funnel to help you get the rice into the hand warmers. And then if you want to make shapes, you're going to need the pattern. Now the pattern I'm using is actually a pattern I made for air fresheners, and that's a different gift that you can do, and I've linked that one below if you're interested in doing those instead. So if you're using the pattern and the pinking shears, I want you to notice that you kind of cut outside the lines of the pattern a little bit so that you're not making this substantially smaller by cutting it with the pinking shears. If you were to cut it out with the regular scissors first and then cut with the pinking shears, it would shrink a little bit. Once you have the pattern cut out, you want to put two pieces wrong sides together. If you're using the folded pattern piece, you literally just fold it in half, wrong sides together. So let me show you how I stitch up this heart. I'm going to use 1/4 inch seams, and I want to start on one of the straight edges, and I'm going to take a few stitches and then I'll back stitch a couple. Stop with the needle in the point and then stitch up the next side. And then when you get back to where you started, leave yourself an opening of about 3/4 of an inch and make sure you back stitch. Now I'm going to trim off extra threads. And then you can just fill this. So open it up. Stick the end of the funnel in there. And if you don't have a funnel like in your kitchen, you can make a funnel by rolling a piece of paper into a cone and kind of cutting off the end and then pouring into that. So it doesn't take a whole lot of rice. You want to be careful not to overfill. And you want to make sure that you still can put this flat under the sewing needle. So let's take this and finish off that gap. Gonna once again start by back stitching and end with back stitching. And that's really all there is to it. Now to use these, you're going to put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And that brings me to one important point. Because these are going to be microwaved, it's a good idea to use 100% cotton fabric and 100% cotton thread so that it doesn't melt in the microwave like polyester might. But you put that in the microwave and the rice will retain the heat for a while, and then you can just stick it in your pocket and have warm hands. Here's a presentation idea for gifting. I like to make a little set of 2 or 3 and then stack them up. Grab a piece of ribbon and tie them into a cute little gift set. For more quick gift ideas for friends, neighbors, and stocking stuffers, check out the video that I've linked here.